everybody, welcome back. Deep Creek Ironworks. Over 2 years ago, I built this DaVinci power hammer here, and I've never got it perfected and running. So hopefully today's the day, and we can get this rascal up and operational. All right, time's a wasting. Let's go to work. Okay, the plan is to fabricate a couple of small brackets to weld to this shaft, and then have them come up to run a couple of bolts into this cam to where it's properly secured to this shaft. And then I gotta get out to some industrial place somewhere and get a belt. And hopefully that's all we need to do. All right, let's go to work. Well, that's the basic idea of what's in my head. I never said it was pretty. I said it just had to work. All right, let's make 3 more. Okay, now I gotta drill through this cam to get the bolts in place for the brackets. I'm being lazy. I don't feel like taking all this apart, putting this cam on a drill press. So we're gonna hand drill all the way through, and just be careful and take a chance, see what happens. All right, see you in a minute. Okay, now we're going to break out the welder, run a couple of short little tack welds through here so I don't get the seal too hot in this bearing. So yeah, that's one reason why I was being as lazy as I was. I didn't want to take all this stuff apart. So that's what we're going to try. All right, so we got the welder. All right, this cam is welded to this shaft. Don't bust my balls. I never said I was a professional welder. And we're going to go and get some lunch, and then we're going to go get this belt. And hopefully this thing will be spinning this afternoon. All right, see you in a few minutes. Well, folks, yeah, this is the basic setup of what I had here, but apparently this motor doesn't have enough hind end to spin this hammer. So you go to tighten the belt, and then the cam just comes up and then just stops. So it is what it is. I got the motor for free. Live and learn. So it's not that big of a loss. We'll keep charging, and eventually I'll get this thing going. I don't know. Who knows? Whatever. We'll figure it out. All right. I think I'm going to go cut the grass, then maybe go sulk a little bit. So we'll see y'all later. And it is what it is. You got to laugh. Anyway, learning moment. Until next time, folks, is life you're living for, where Jesus died for. Y'all have a good one.